Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SPF DKIM DMARC for your domain with Google Workspace, full guide step by step clearly. To enable SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for your domain with Google Workspace, follow these steps. First, log into your Google Workspace admin console. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section. Click on Google Workspace. Select Gmail. Look for Authenticate Email and click on it. Now, let's start with SPF. Scroll down to the Domain Authentications section. Here, you will find the SPF record settings. Copy the provided SPF record. Next, open your domain's DNS settings with your domain registrar. Add a new TXT record. Paste the SPF record into the TXT record's value field. Save the changes to your DNS settings. Now, let's proceed to DKIM. Return to the Google Workspace admin console. In the Authenticate Email section, locate the DKIM settings. Select your domain from the drop-down menu. Click on Generate New Record. Choose the 2048-bit key length for better security. Copy the provided DKIM record. Go back to your domain's DNS settings. Add a new TXT record with the DKIM name. Paste the DKIM value into the TXT record's value field. Save the changes to your DNS settings. Next, we will configure DMARC. Open a text editor to create your DMARC record. The DMARC record starts with V equals DMARC1. Add P equals none if your include RUA equals mail to your email at example.com for report notifications. Build the complete DMARC record and copy it. Return to your domain's DNS settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.